Hello everyone, this is Jordan Ostrold from UC Workspace and welcome to our video on how to change user using modern authentication in Quicklaunch. Change user allows individual users to see and manage their own calendars within Quicklaunch. Change user supports both traditional user ID/password as well as Microsoft Modern Authentication, optionally with Multifactor authentication. To begin, you will want to enter settings by clicking the gear icon in the upper right of the Quicklaunch interface or by clicking Ctrl-Alt-S on your keyboard. Once in settings, you will move to the account group and enable Allow Change User under the Login tab. After enabling Allow Change User, you will open a drop-down which allows you to select which type of sign-in options you want to enable. The four current options include Exchange and Skype for Business, Exchange and Skype for Business with separate credentials, Exchange only, and Skype for Business only. As you see below the drop-down, there is an option to enable or disable modern authentication. If you are going to be changing to a user with multi-factor authentication enabled, you'll want to have the Use Modern Authentication radio button selected. Be sure to save your settings after completing these steps. After returning to the Quicklaunch interface, you will see the option to change user, which is found in the lower right of the screen. If you are using modern authentication, when you click change user, you'll be prompted for Exchange and Skype for Business individually. This varies from site to site and user to user. In my case, I have multi-factor authentication set up for me to enter a code. If you are not using multi-factor authentication, after clicking change user, it will open and allow you to choose the email suffix from the drop-down, as well as adding in your email and password. Then Quicklaunch will seamlessly change your account. Thank you very much for watching our video on how to change user with modern authentication in Quicklaunch version 4. Be sure to visit our website to learn more about the award-winning software Quicklaunch at www.ucworkspace.com. We would appreciate if you would subscribe to our channel to always stay up to date with Quicklaunch news and updates. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn at UC Workspace. I've been Jordan Ostrold and I hope to hear from you again soon. Goodbye.